Trematodes. So general trematodes also ventrally flat, चपटे होंगे, unsegmented leaf-like body. The anus is absent. Then incomplete digestive system, respiratory is absent, vascular system is absent. The word fluke or trematode, fluke basically it is like from the Latin, that is तुक्का. ठीक है, Latin word याद रखना, Latin. Then what excretory system में क्या है हमारे पास, फ्लेम सेल्स हैं. फ्लेम सेल्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टर्मिनल ऑर्गन्स, राइट. एक्सक्रीटरी ब्लैडर है. हर्माफ्रोडाइट होते हैं एक्सेप्ट सिस्टोजोम. सिस्टोजोम्स में मेल एंड फीमेल आर सेपरेट, ये सारे एक ही हैं. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ लाइफ साइकिल ये दो तरह के होते हैं, मोनोजीनिया एंड डाइजीनिया. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव. मोनोजीनिया इट इज़ डायरेक्ट लाइफ साइकिल एंड डाइजीनिया इट इज़ इनडायरेक्ट लाइफ साइकिल. इट इज़ द पैरासाइट ऑफ ऑल वर्टिब्रेट एनिमल्स. एंड द डाइजीनिया जो हम पढ़ेंगे दैट इज़ द पैरासाइट ऑफ द डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स. So what things we don't have is, first we let's discuss once again. So if we talk about the body is like just a leaf where anus is absent, digestive system is incomplete, excretory system has the flame cells and excretory bladder, respiratory absent, vascular absent, reproductive में all are hermaphrodites except cystosome. And subclass we have two, monogynia and digynia. Mono is direct life cycle, di is indirect. This is the parasite of all vertebrates and this is the parasite of domestic animals. Now talking about the subclass digynia, body is the body is leaf-like, like a fasciola. The fleshy body is like this, amphistomes, and somewhat cylindrical bodies of the blood fluke or the cystosome. Talking about the cuticle, if it is smooth like this or like somewhat spiny, so it is spiny in fasciola and smooth in digroscilium. The body cavity is absent, all the internal organs are like this. They are embedded in the parenchymatous tissue. What are the organ of attachment, how it is going to be attached, like, or the site of predilection, hold fast organ of attachment. Suckers की गल करिए तो we have anterior, जो आगे होएगा, जो वेंट्रल, देन उसको हम एसिटाबुलम बोलते हैं, जो कि एम्फिस्टोम्स में पोस्टीरियर वाले को बोलेंगे. एम्फिस्टोम्स में जो पोस्टीरियर वाला है उसको एसिटाबुलम बोलेंगे. वैसे अगर वेंट्रल वाला बेसिकली मिडल में होता है, व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज, एंटीरियर तो आगे आ गया, ये जो वेंट्रल है मोस्टली आपको यहाँ मिल जाएगा, मिडल या फिर अपर थर्ड ऑफ द बॉडी में. बट एम्फिस्टोम्स में ये आपको बिल्कुल एंड पे मिलेगा, वेंट्रल सक्कर. क्लियर. देन मोनोस्टॉम फ्लूक की बात करें, ओह शिट. So talking about the monostorm flukes, only one oral sucker. Mono means one, stome means mouth, so one mouth means one sucker only. And remember these three names. Family Notocotylidae has 3 members and this is the monostorm flukes only. Notocotylus attenuatus, Catastrophes verrucosa and Ogmocotyle indica. Notocotylus attenuatus, Catastrophes verrucosa, Ogmocotyle indica. And this indica ogmocotyle is present in alimentary canal of cattle and buffalo. Genital suckers, मतलब जेनिटल पोर को सराउंड करता होगा, फॉर ठीक है. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल हेट्रोफाइसिस कोटाइलिफोरम, हेट्रोफाइसिस कोटाइलोफोरम, ओनम. Remember, digestion was incomplete. How it is? Oral sucker, pharynx, esophagus. These are the 2 cecas and the excretory pore. Anus is absent. Excretory system, flame cells. I talked flame cells, and we have excretory bladder here. It will be. So they are the terminal organs. They are the excretory cells that will collect all the waste products from the surroundings. And they will propel it like from the surroundings and they propel in the excretory bladder, further excretory canal, excretory pore, whatever it is. Remembering is just flame cells, that are the terminal organs. Talking about the nervous system, nervous system is basically a circumesophageal ring is there. in which 3 pair of nerves run forward and 3 run backward. Justify that sense organs circaria, like okay, सेंस ऑर्गन्स जो है नर्वस सिस्टम का पार्ट कैसे हैं, तो क्या होता है, इट इज़ इन सर्केरिया एंड मेरासीडियम sometimes patches of pigments are present which are known as eye spots. They are the sense organs to find their suitable host. So that's all. Then talking about the reproductive system, it can come as long in externals. हर्माफ्रोडाइट होते हैं, बाइसेक्सुअल मतलब एक में ही मेल और फीमेल इकट्ठे हैं, टेस्टिस और ओवरी एक में ही होगा, बट सिस्टोजोम मेल एंड फीमेल आर डिफरेंट. ठीक है. द मेल ऑर्गन्स हैव 2 टेस्टिस. इट कुड बी टैंडम, हॉरिजॉन्टल और डायगोनल. टैंडम मीन्स ऊपर नीचे, हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड डायगोनल. हॉरिजॉन्टल ऐसे, डायगोनल टेढ़े. So talking about this male organ self fertilization होगी. These are the testes. Vasa efferentia, vesiculus seminalis, vesiculus seminal vesicle sperm store करेगा. This is the prostate gland जो secretion देता होता है हमेशा ही. Then vas deferens which end into the serous sac, or this dot could be as serous, that is a muscular organ armed or unarmed with hairy processes. This serous sac, or like this is genital pore here, it's a part of that only. Then talking about the female, male was very easy, but female, the thing is we have ovary that will open into oviduct. Oviduct has further receptaculum seminalis and like Lawror's canal. See, this is the ovary, right? So this will be oviduct here, which has receptaculum seminalis and Lawror's canal, right? Now there are paired vitelline glands which join this oviducts. This paired मतलब दूसरी साइड होगा, डायग्राम 2D बनाया हुआ है, which join the oviduct at O type. What is O type? Here eggs are formed. Now O type, this is O type. It is surrounded by the numerous unicellular cells, which is known as Mealy's gland or the shell gland. Mealy's or the shell gland. Now from this O type further uterus emerges, and the end part of uterus, this is like somewhat muscular and more of wide, and it is known as metraterm. It is known as metraterm. And the eggs are operculated, मतलब ढक्कन वाले अंडे हैं इसके. See, let's see, okay, start. Ovary, that ovary, well, this ovary here is oviduct, receptaculum seminalis and the Lawror's canal here, and this opens into this O type. You can see this unicellular, like this glands which is open into the uterus, and the uterus getting wider, which is known as metraterm, and ending into the genital atrium. And if here only testes, vas, it should be vas efferentia, then here seminal vesicle, the surrounding is prostate gland, and vas deferens and ending into the serous pouch. Clear? Okay. Now talking about the life cycle. If we are done up till here, life cycle is easy. There are the 5 developmental stages. So like this one is egg, then develops the meracidium. It is inside the egg only. This structure you can see like this, that is meracidium, and this is the meracidium coming out of the egg. And then we have like sporocyst, then sporocyst, it is radia and the cercaria. So egg, meracidium, sporocyst, radia and cercaria. Egg is MSRC. Egg is divided into egg, right? So we have egg, then meracidium opening into sporocyst, then radia and then cercaria. Cercaria is very exceptional every time. Like cercaria pigmentata, we talk about the eye spots. Sometimes we have like there's times this Furco-Cercus cercaria and a Micro-Cercaria. 3 type of cercaria we have exceptions. Now let's read out. In majority of trematodes, the eggs are deposited and pass through the feces, liver fluke, intestinal fluke, human fluke, or with the urine, that is known as. In urine में कौन से निकलेंगे? Schistosoma hematobium. Schistosoma hematobium. It is in urine. In nasal discharge, it is Schistosoma nasale. And in sputum, it is Paragonimus westermanni. Paragonimus westermanni. This is Schistosoma nasale. Shit, yaar. I hope it's clear. In most species, the egg have to be deposited in water for further development, but in some, it develop on moist land. So hatching time may be variable. Fine. The egg or zygote divide rapidly to form an embryo called as miracidium. It is small, oval or pyriform shape. The anterior end is broader, you can see here, and it swims with the help of cilia. It needs to find some intermediate host, and then it attached to some kind of mollusk or the snail and penetrates the tissue like this body. When it turns into sporocyst, it has to lose its cilia. Now what is sporocyst? It is an undifferentiated, very important definition, undifferentiated simple structure having a thin wall sac having a large number of the germ balls. You can see the large number of germ balls here, and a simple excretory system. Now the germinal cells multiply. They multiply and form the another stage, that is daughter sporocyst or the radia. This is exception. Either this, like, right? We learn when the mother sporocyst produces daughter sporocyst, then radia will be absent. The radia is more elaboratively organized. You can see the yeah. So it is elongated, yes, it is elongated, and much more muscular, yes, it is muscular. The mouth is present at anterior end leading into the muscular pharynx, then a blind sac into the intestine, excretory system, birth pore, cercaria produces radia. Now this radia is going to produce a number of cercarias like this. The cercaria is formed when the radia or the daughter sporocyst or radia is fully developed, right? The cercaria has suckers, right? Yeah, intestine, excretory, nervous system, and a spine and a tail. It could be bifurcated in case of the schistosomes. Cercaria could have eyes. They are not eyes, they are the eye spots I told you. ठीक है. सो नेक्स्ट इज द सर्केरिया. दे लीव द स्नेल होस्ट. अब उनको छोड़ देंगे, पानी में जाएंगे, देन एंड वेजिटेशन के ऊपर चले जाएंगे. देन वेट फॉर द सेकेंड इंटरमीडिएट होस्ट फॉर द फाइनल एनसेस्टमेंट. देन सर्केरिया further develop into the metacercaria. It develops into the metacercaria, which is the infective stage for the host. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, so these are the slides. You can see cercaria, but here the tail is absent. मैं बना देती हूँ. So you can see eye spots we can see here. Right. उसके बाद we have sporocyst, undifferentiated, no clear cell could be seen, and in radia you can see how much clear it is. The little they are the cercaria which will further develop into the metacercaria. Am I clear? Right. So the Furco-Cercaria I told about in the Schistosomidae. Now classification. We have a lot of families, and classification is Dichroecilium family, Heterophydae, then Prostogonimidae, Opisthoarchidae, Fasciolidae, Echinostomidae, Notochordilidae, Troglotrematidae, Paragonidae, Paramphistomidae, and Schistosomidae. This is not important. This is like only monostome flukes. This is not important, but that's all. Fasciola is long, Schistosoma is long, Paramphistomes is long. That's all. Rest we will do in the next class. Thank you so much.